can't beat me.
One! Go! 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 And they're up! All right, TJ Khaled is in the lead. But right behind him, and he's catching up. They're turning the first corner now.
Woo! Woo! Oh, he's catching up! He's so close!
Issa's going faster on the straightaway. Oh, no!
He just passed him!
He caught up to Khaled.
Go, Khaled, go!
But it's not over.
Wait, he can still actually win.
These turns are where the jet ski's gonna go faster. Khaled can gain ground. No! No! Khaled, go faster! There's a few turns left! This is your last chance to be the greatest!